Do you want to know the date on which COVID-19 is going to end? All the problems, all the pains, all the sufferings created by the and imposed upon the humanity is going to end on a particular date. And that date has been found after the deep research, not by the fluke, not by the just estimate. It is by the deep research. Do you want to know the date? The whole humanity wants to know. So now I am going to tell you the date on which the COVID-19 edition variant of the corona is going to be finished. Namaskar friends, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Astrodev.com. The whole humanity is suffering from COVID-19. Everyone is suffering. And astrologers are also trying to understand how it happened and when it is going to finish. When COVID-19 started, all the astrologers started to predict so many dates based on this calculation, that calculation, based on this planet movement, that planet movement, and we requested all the astrologers after releasing a YouTube video that they should not predict about the COVID-19. Why? Because COVID-19, you can see that video on YouTube when we made the request. COVID-19 is, or to be frank, to be precise, every virus is signified by the Rahu or dragon's head graha or planet. And in the astrology, Rahu or dragon's head is called shadowy planet. It is not existing at all, but it creates a lot of effects. Creates a lot of phenomena. Practically all the virus are controlled by the Rahu. And when one planet is shadow planet, you should not enter into that arena unless you have some concrete research. But astrologers made a lot of predictions. Even on their request, we forwarded their predictions to all and sundry, but it was found that all the predictions failed because there was no any concrete work behind those predictions. Thereafter, we started to get a lot of emails, WhatsApp messages, and calls about the corona and COVID-19. I am teaching astrology since last 3 decades. So there was also a burden on my shoulders to do something. Then we started to do the most extensive research in the astrology about COVID-19. We collected the data of all the pandemics in the last 1000 years and started to test them on the basis of dictum given by our mundane astrology ancient scriptures. Many ancient scriptures are lost in the invasions of the outsiders, but many of them are existing. And the most prominent of this is Brihad Samhita by Varamihir. So all the sloka given in the Varamihir's Brihad Samhita were used to test these pandemics. Unfortunately, nothing came out. Then we took other scriptures. There are so many. But the most ancient is the Garg Samhita, but Garg Samhita is not available in the complete form. The mundane astrology, ancient scripture, which is available, most ancient, which is available with the humanity or as a depository of knowledge, is the Parashari Samhita. We started to test the dictum given by the Parashari Samhita one by one on our data about pandemics. Ultimately, we found a sloka, which is you can see on the screen. it started to apply. It started to apply on the pandemics. It was miracle. It was miracle. Actually, if you understand the Sanskrit, you will see, you will understand the meaning. But we tweaked the meaning of this sloka to some extent, and we interpreted this sloka as if Jupiter and Saturn come into one zodiac sign or nakshatra, they create havoc for the humanity. Okay, great. So we found that if we tweaked this meaning to this extent, all the pandemics were coming out on this parameter only. This was very interesting. And when we collected this research and presented on the YouTube, it was very disheartening to see that many astrologers coming on television after we put up this episode, which you can see after clicking on the right side, upper side, you can see the link. If you click on, you will see that video. The video is very long and you may find it may bore you also. It is not very interesting because it is a very academic in nature. So after seeing this video, many television astrologers copied the findings and spoken that this is our research, this is our research, this is our research. Even on YouTube, we found some astrologers copying the findings of that research and saying that this is our research. No, don't bother. If some knowledge is being used for the sake of humanity, it is always welcome. But unfortunately, they couldn't understand the soul of that research. Otherwise, they could understand when the COVID-19 is going to end. They didn't understand. It was simply copy paste for those astrologers. My blessings to them. Okay, so just I am telling you the precise meaning of that research. Jupiter and Saturn into come one zodiac sign, they create havoc. When Jupiter and Saturn came into one sign, we started to move the planet on our software. And when we went backward, you can see the screen. We are putting up some horoscopes. When we went and going backward, we reached 5th November 2019, and on the morning of 5th November 2019 at 5:18, Jupiter entered the sign and they came into one zodiac sign. Okay, one zodiac sign. And as per our analysis, this is the date when COVID-19 came on this earth. It may be from the Wuhan laboratory or in the market of bats of China or anywhere, I don't know. But this is the date as per our research when COVID-19 came on this earth and it started to spoil our life in the worst possible manner. For the whole humanity, the date is very, very inauspicious. So when we came to know the date when COVID-19 started, then we started to move planets or grahas in the forward direction when they are separating finally, because in the period many times they came out and came back, creating the first wave of the COVID-19, second wave of COVID-19, third wave of COVID-19, so many things you have. So when we reached a date, it is the date. Just hold your breath. I'm going to inform you the date when COVID-19 is going to end. It is 20th November 2021 and the time is 23:32 night. This time is as per IST, Indian time. This is the date when COVID-19 is going to finish. And all the astrologers who were copying our research, they could have also known this date, but they were just copying. They didn't want to take even a slight pain or to go into the research to understand the logic behind that. And many things for each nation, because every nation has its own horoscope, its own zodiac sign, its own star or nakshatra. So impact on the multiple nation will be in the varied form. But the starting date for the earth and end date on the earth will be same. And this, one or two things I want to clarify, that this prediction, this calculation is not for the corona, but it is for the COVID-19 variant of the corona, because corona has existed since long, since so many decades. Different variants are coming to give us pain. But this date, starting and finish date, is for the COVID-19 variant of corona. Second thing, a bit variation may be date, a bit variation in date may happen because the planetary movement, there are multiple ways of calculating the planetary movement. So sometimes it may happen that 15 days or 1 month variation may happen. So in a gross form, you can think that COVID-19 finish by the end of this year 2021. I know that this finding, the end date, will also be copied by the television astrologers or some other astrologers on YouTube, but we don't worry. We don't worry. Knowledge should flow like clean water or a clean river. So let everyone use this data. You can see the research video, the link of which we have given on the screen also and the description column also. Ultimately, yeah, you have known the date, and my best wishes for your health, happiness, and harmony. I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from Astrodhyam.com. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to channel, because in the past, whatever prediction we have made about the COVID-19, impact of COVID-19, political, financial, economic, everything happened like that. Everything happened like that. When the COVID-19 package of 20,000 crores was declared by the Modi government, we had released a YouTube video that, as per our calculation, as per horoscope of India, it is not going to impact. It is not going to any positive impact or increase the popularity of the Modi government. And whatever it we told about the economy, everything came true. So we believe that because our sincere efforts are there, and it is for the sake of humanity, it is for your welfare, so it will also come true. So continue seeing us. Astrology is a science, believe me. If science, it is applied with a scientific temperament. Again, best wishes. I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from Astrology.